It's a really busy time for the Conservation and Collections Care team at Science and Industry Museum. At the moment, we're currently relocating all of the objects from the Air and Space Hall. To actually start the process, we start with an inventory phase, which means that we need to check that every object in the gallery has its own unique reference number, and then that is recorded on the collections management system. Also, every object might have lots and lots of parts as well. We need to make sure that they're all accounted for. From there, we also do a basic check on everything. We want to check what kind of condition everything is in. Cleaning things like the vehicles, it's not quite like cleaning a car at home. It has to be done dryly, so we use a soft brush and a soft cloth. As part of those checks, what we do is we also look for any signs of pests that might not be very good for the objects. So we keep a close eye on that to make sure that there's no clothes moth around or anything like that that might start eating away at the collections. Nobody wants to see anything get broken or damaged, so we're very carefully packing everything, which can be quite difficult when you're talking about large objects like aircraft, but the steps are there to make sure that things are cared for still. Things that can be packed into boxes are being, and we use special materials. We have to make sure that they are inert materials, that they're not going to cause any kind of chemical reaction with the collection. There isn't actually that much room in the gallery when you start dismantling things such as the Avro Shackleton. We need to make sure that we move items that are smaller, like the palletized objects first, and then once we've made enough room in the gallery, we can start to get specialist equipment into the gallery to take wings off aircraft and large items like that. So we have brought in specialist contractors that are very knowledgeable about aircraft, and they work dismantling and rebuilding aircraft all the time. Each aircraft is broken down into more manageable pieces. Those items will then be what we call part numbered to make sure that we know that every single part of the aircraft and the object have left the building.